Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog Coding with me. So today we will be seeing these two topics, declaring wires and 745 chip. Wire. Wire is a Verilog data type which connect two elements. So we can see the wire here is not in. This is the example. This is the example code. So we have to write the Verilog code for this module. So we can see there are two wires here. Wire x1, wire x2 we will name them, and here is wire x3, the actual output. So we will start right. First we have to declare the wire data type. Wire x1 comma x1 equal to a logical and b, and x2 is the logical AND operation of c and d. Sign x2 equal to c and d, and x3 is the logical OR operation of output x1 and x2. So as we can see, the out here is wire x3 and out underscore len is the inversion of wire x3. So we will assign it. So we have to see the compiling process has been started. As you can see, so as you can see from the timing diagram, there is no mismatch and our status is success. So let's see the next one, 745 chip. So here is the 7485 chip with 4 AND gates and 2 OR gates. We have to implement this. So here we can see there are 2 AND gates with 2 inputs and 2 AND gates with 3 inputs, and total of 4 wires. Wire x1, wire x2, wire x3, wire x4. So let's write the code. First we have to declare the wires. Wire x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4. So first we will write for this wire x1 equal to AND operation of logical AND operation of P2A and P2B. P2A P2B, and x2 for P2C and P2D, AND operation of P2 and P2D. So x2 equal to P2C and operation of P2D, and x3 for this P1C and P1B and P1A. P1 and then P2B and then P1A, P1A, P1C, P1B, P1C, P1A, P1C, P1B. So x4 is the AND operation of P1F, P1E, P1B. x4 equal to P1F AND operation P1F, P1E, P1E AND operation, and P1B. So here is the OR operation for output P2Y, OR operation of wire x1 and x2. Logical or x2, and output P1Y is a logical OR operation of x3 and x4. So compiling has been started. So we can see the timing diagram. There is no mismatch in the output and the status is success. So that's all for today. Next Sunday we will see about the vectors.